Twitch, can you guys hear me? Can you guys hear me okay? Put one in the chat if you guys can hear me. Just gonna quickly mark up the charts and then we will go from there. Just literally quickly mark up the charts. So give me a second, guys. Yeah. Okay, brilliant. Okay, so with gold, 100%, I am, well, it looks like I'm gonna be bullish today. We've had a really nice, well, we've actually had a really good breaker structure, a bullish breaker structure, a bit of a consolidation. I'm not really liking the fact that we're consolidating today, but hopefully we can actually get some sort of move. I like how this candlestick here has created a high and low. So last hour, and never mind, I'm gonna be patient and wait for sales. I mean, let's have a look. Let's have a look and see what's going on in the markets, and then we can actually figure out what we are looking at. So I mean, look, we broke Asian highs. We broke Asian highs. Was that a sweep? Yeah, that looks like a sweep on my end. But we did break Asian highs, but we also, that same candlestick that broke Asian highs, it also broke structure. We broke 1 hour structure. So we actually broke these lows right here, which is not really giving me a nice signal, because that means we're just consolidating right now. So the consolidation right now is literally this. It looks like we're going to be doing this. I'm going to wait for some sort of like fake breakout and then go from there. No quarter zip today, bro. No, man. You know it is. I could wear quarter zip, but I'm at home and it got a bit hot, but I don't even know where. I might even slap it on later on. I don't you know you never know. You're gonna wait till after the red folder? 100%, bro. Actually, let me just let you guys know what red folder we got today as well. I think is it CPI today? Is it CPI, chat? Let me go on to Chrome and have a look. Chat. What red folder do we have? Oh, unemployment claims. Oh, okay, cool. Cool, calm. Yeah, unemployment claims is what, at 130? 100% waiting after that. 100%. After that, I think we should be good. Bro, today there's so many like yellow folders and orange folders. Let me actually put this here. So, yeah. Let me charge my iPad. I completely forgot about news today. Thanks for the reminder. No worries, bro. No worries. Yeah, I think this big drop was definitely for news. Actually, thank my Twitch. Twitch literally just reminded me. My viewers on Twitch, 2K Lover 2023 1-on-1, bro. Thank you for reminding me, because I also forgot as well. I did see it this morning, but I literally forgot that it's at 1:30. I thought I don't know why. I thought it already happened. I thought it happened at 1. Let's see though. Let's see what is gonna happen. Let me just bring this a little closer. Guys, if you're on TikTok, hop on Twitch and search up Maybe Trades, or just click the link in the bio and you should be able to see my screen as well. So at the moment, this is what my thoughts are, right? I feel like we're in this little consolidation. I feel like though I think we're still bullish. The 4 hours screaming bullish. Yes, we slowed down. I feel like we might get a little downwards push to tap into this 4-hour FVG, and then we could could swing high. But I think, because if we just get up the 1-hour FVGs, for a second, so we had one here, boom. It didn't really respect the FVG. We had one here, which respected it to the T, which I liked, and then one here. So technically, what we're looking at is we respected this FVG. We can get rid of this. We respected this FVG quite well. We've just formed a higher low, which is also quite good. I believe that if this FVG can stay strong, we should be good to keep pushing up. But I feel like we may sweep the London lows as well. That's what I'm thinking as well. The Asian lows is looking like a sweep as well. But let's see what this candlestick does. Let's see what this 1 hour candlestick does. Because it definitely does look like we have some sort of buying opportunity, but we have to wait until price has given us some sort of bullish order flow. And I'm looking for a sweep. I like the fact that if I go back on the 1 hour, I like the fact that we swept this 1 hour low right here, which is pretty decent. If this candlestick can stay bullish, that'll be pretty decent. But let's just see. Let's see what the market has for us today. Past 2 days, I haven't been able to place a trade. So let's hope today could be the day where we place a trade. I'll be trading tomorrow as well. Tomorrow we have no red folders. Actually, no, tomorrow's bank holiday, so no trading tomorrow. No trading tomorrow. No trading on Friday. So this is technically the last day of the week. Hopefully we can get some sort of trades. I wouldn't mind not trading though. I'm not gonna force a trade. But let's just see. News might take that. That's what I'm hoping. I'm hoping that news sweeps some sort of liquidity and then gives me a nice little entry. So we've got around if I'm not mistaken, we've got around 17 minutes left until news. So we will see what news has got for us. Let's see what news has got for us. Let's see. By the way, chat, if you're on TikTok, hop on my Twitch. I'm looking at the chat on Twitch. I don't really see the chat over here. I'm thinking tap into that 5-minute order block and then sells down, then probably buys for the rest of the day. Yeah, let's have a look, bro. Let's see. Let's see. What do we guys think? Do we think that we're looking? Do you feel like we're looking for buys or sells? The way it's respecting this 1 hour FEG though is looking pretty decent. Chat, can you see this? This 1 hour FEG is looking like if this candlestick ends up being like a bearish candlestick, yeah, I think we're looking for some sells. I think then we could definitely target like these lows and then obviously all of these hourly lows that we've got going on. What's good, bro? What's good? What's good? I'm good, bro. I'm good. You didn't DM me, bro. You didn't DM me yesterday. I don't know. Maybe you did. I don't know, but I didn't receive any messages yesterday, bro. Meji, one up. I didn't receive any messages, so I don't know if you forgot or something, but I was waiting, bro. Let's have a look. Yo, what's good, Topaz? What's good? What's good? What's good? So, Topaz, have you seen any moves for NQ? Any moves for NQ so far? I know NQ is also in this little consolidation right now, which is kind of mid. I didn't, bro, but I will do after live. I was traveling yesterday. No worries, bro. No worries. No worries, bro. No worries. Let's see. Let's see. We've got a whole bunch of liquidity as well. We swept these lows, which is also, it's like we swept these lows, like we kept these lows quite strong. So there is still a high chance that we could be bullish, but I'm low-key looking for sales today. I think I would look for sales today. It just depends on news though. I took an L today, but oh well, journaled and keep it moving. What? No worries, bro. Don't worry about the L's, bro. The L's will always happen. L's come and go. Think of it like this. Every time I take an L, I'm just like, I'm one step closer to buys. I let you know I may not trade this week. I'm up 6R. Bro, yeah, I wouldn't even trade. Tomorrow's bank holiday, and then obviously no one likes trading on Fridays. So I would, if I was you, I'd just take the week off. 6R is amazing, bro. 6R up for the week. That is GG's, bro. That is GG's. But yeah, like I was saying, bro, like if you've taken a loss, let go of that loss, keep it stepping. Tomorrow's a new day, or the next session's a new session. So let's see. I know we have news in a bit. I'm hoping for some sort of negative move out of the news. Let's see. Unemployment claims. What's the forecast for the unemployment claims? Let's have a look. Oh, okay, so they want it. Okay, so they want USD. So they want USD to be stronger. Got work in 30 minutes. No worries, bro. Hopefully, news can give us some sort of move, and then we're done in 30 minutes, bro. I wish we'd be done in 30 minutes. TikTok, hop on Twitch, guys. Hop on Twitch. Click the link in the bio and hop on Twitch. I can't lie, I've just placed sell limits. Gonna have to cancel that before news if I don't hit. Yeah, I can't lie. I don't really like to. I don't really like to put buy limits and sell limits, especially when there's news, because it could just like take me out straight away. No, I traded London anyways. Just tuning. Oh, okay, that's calm, bro. That's calm. I appreciate you for tuning in as well. I appreciate that, bro. Let's see. What was the autumn forecast statement for GBP as well? That looks like it was. What was that? Was that positive or negative? Oh, they haven't even released it. Damn. Let's see. But we're expecting USD to be strong. That's what Forex Factory's trying to tell us, that they're forecasting USD to be stronger. So hopefully we get less than the actual amount. Let's see. If USD can turn out strong, that would be good. But let's see. Damn, we got 12 minutes left, chat. 12 minutes left for news. Let's see, man. Let me see what the 5 minutes is saying anyways. Oh, the 5 minutes, yeah, it's looking like that's really good rejection out of that fair value gap. That's a really good rejection candlestick off out of that fair value gap. I wouldn't be surprised if we tap London lows on news. Yes, sir. What's good, bro? What's good, Cooper? What's good? What's good? Bro, I don't know what you just typed. I'm guessing you're trying to say new traders do this full time. What do you mean, bro? You got sell limits on the order block? What is this, an hourly order block or the 30 minutes? What order block are we talking about, bro? You might have to hop on my live stream to like show me exactly what we're talking about. Oh, the 1 minute order block. Are we talking about the order block that starts off at 41.66? Like that order block right there? That 41.66 area? Bro, to see gold. Oh, okay, cool. You got sell limits there. I mean, if we, I don't, it'll be techie though, because if price ends up going up, then is a break of structure on a lower time frame, which means technically means that we should be going even higher. Oh, you meant very few traders do it full time. Most is side hustle. Yeah, I mean, the way it's like I technically do trade full time, but it's not a 9 to 5. I only trade like 2 to 3 hours a day. Actually, no, tell a lie. 2 hours a day. That's all I do. 2 hours a day. So technically, I'm not full time if we look at it, but 2 hours a day is technically part time. So I'm technically not. You're tapped in. Okay. 41.64. Oh, okay. 41.64. Okay, so that's like, oh, so that's where the fair value gap is. Okay. Oh, so you're talking about that. Okay, you're talking about this order block. Okay, cool. Yeah, I feel like it's too early to say sells right now because we're still in this retracement. It's as full time as you need it to be. No, literally, bro. Literally. You know what's so crazy is when you do like when you're an entrepreneur, the less hours you do, the more full time it is. Like if you can make let's say like a monthly or a weekly wages in like 2 hours, that's technically full time. I think this is the thing though, right? It's like the when you apply for a job and you apply for a full-time role, they should do full-time based on pay rather than timings, if that makes sense. Even though it's full-time, they should base it on pay. Because that's how we as entrepreneurs, that's what we do. You're just saying out of 45 contenders, I'm 79th on the leaderboard for QT. Please are risking too much, getting 20% in 2 areas only at 8.9%. That's crazy, bro. I mean, 79th on the leaderboard out of 4,055 contendants is crazy, bro. Contestants. Yeah, I was thinking, why did you say please? Yeah, no, that is really good, bro. Keep up. People are yeah, I'll be real with you. I know traders that like gas up the whole, oh, I'm #1 leaderboard on these prop firm challenges, but you gotta understand, some people literally full port and you can get to #1 quite easily. It's really not that hard. But GG's though, I mean, props to you, bro, for even being 79th and you're actually trading properly. You're not trading like a terrible trader, if that makes sense. Can you explain what you're looking for? So at the moment, we're not really looking for anything in particular. We are looking for sales. However, I am waiting to see how news reacts. Once we get a reaction out of news, I think we could see what's actually going on. But overall, I am bullish. I'm not gonna lie to you, but I feel like we could get a deeper retracement. So hopefully we can get that deep retracement, and then obviously I can catch that sell. But we'll see. If news gives us a good bullish move, then I mean GG's, then we'll be bullish. But it just depends in the next 7 minutes what actually happens. The less you trade, more you win. 100%. I think it's mainly psychology that makes good traders. 100%, bro. 100%. So you don't have any other job? No, I'm a full-time trader, bro. I've been doing this I've been a full-time trader for 3 years. And I've been trading for 5 years, almost 6 years now, bro. What's your best time frame? But I've been testing out a load of time frames. The best time frames for me to use is the 1 hour and the 5 minutes. I don't know what it is about the 1 hour and 5 minutes, but looking for like an overview on the 1 hour and then entering on the 5 minutes, there's something about it. It's just clean up. It's literally just clean up. But I 100% agree with you. The less you trade, the more you make, or the more you win. I 100% agree with that. There was a month where on my birthday month, actually not. Even in September, I only traded like 4 times or 6 times in September. I sent it to my Discord community, and I had one of the best months. Literally had one of the best months in September. I think, but then there's months where like I've over traded and basically like traded like 14, 15 times in a month, and I've basically almost had break even. So it's like 100%. Trading less is definitely, yeah, no man, I canceled that dumb trade, got too scared. What strategy you use? So the strategy I use is kind of like my own system that I've created, but I use concepts, bro. So I use the Fibonacci retracement tool, I use liquidity sweeps, I use breaker structure, I use fair value gaps. So it's not my own creation, but I've put the concepts together in my kind of way to enter the markets, if that makes sense. So I don't actually, there's not a specific, I don't know if maybe someone else does it too, but the way I trade is based on experience, and I've never looked at ICT video, SMC video. I don't even know. It could be ICT, it could be SMC. I don't know. I genuinely don't know. I never understood Fibonacci. I made a video on my YouTube channel. I might have to make another video for Fibonacci. I think it's one of the most important tools for me. It's such a good tool, man. I've been using it for like 5 years now, and it's the tool that has helped me so much in my trading. But Mr. Paybean 2, I hope you understand now what I'm actually looking for on gold. I hope you understand. Yeah, no, man, cancel that dumb trade, got too scared. Yeah, bro, honestly, like if you're shook in a trade, just leave it. I'd rather forward test or like just leave, like cancel out the trade. Like you don't actually have to make money in trading. Like you can actually just, I know traders that are doing amazing and they just like forward test and they demo trade and stuff like that. I think a lot of people have this misconception that you have to just force trades and make money and stuff like that. Let's see though. Let's see. I do now, thank you. No worries, bro. No worries. Okay, we're getting a really strong bullish candlestick out of this now. So we got 4 minutes left until news. Let's see how news reacts. News is gonna determine whether I'm gonna place a trade today or not. Guys, if you're new to Twitch, give me a follow. We're road to 100 followers. I was about to say 100K. we're road to 100 followers. I would appreciate every single one of you. If you're not followed, give me a follow. TikTok, if you're new to this live stream, hop on Twitch, click the link in the bio and give me a follow. I'm sharing my live screen right now on Twitch. Let's see what's gonna happen. We're getting market's really starting to become bullish now. Market's really starting to become bullish. What's going on with EU's price action? Bro, honestly, I don't know. Even gold right now is just consolidating. I think because it's like bank holiday tomorrow in the US. So I feel like market's just going to be really, really bad right now. Gold getting bullish? Yeah, it's looking quite bullish right now. We've got 2 minutes left and it's actually looking very bullish. I'm not going to lie to you. Yeah, it's looking like a clean bull move right now. We shall see though. We shall see. It all depends on it all depends on news. I'm not gonna lie to you. It might just shoot down in news. So right now it might be just trying to target some liquidity levels or something on the lower time frame. Yeah, maybe it's targeting these early sellers right now. Oops. When is the news? The news is at work, so can't hop on Twitch. No worries, bro. The news is literally in 3 minutes. In 3 minutes, it's unemployment claims. On the lower time frame though, we do have this massive fair value gap, so we shall see. We have to like basically go above this high to be confirmed that we're bullish. Let's see. Today's gonna be the last day of the week, guys, for my trading. So no trades tomorrow and no trades on Friday. So not gonna, I love shorts on gold right now, but news is scary. Yeah, I think news is gonna give us like some sort of like, it's just gonna just catch liquidity for a second. We got like, how many more minutes left? We have 1 minute and 20 seconds. Let's see. Unemployment claims. Let's have a look. Why not Friday? Because I got prayers, bro. I pray on Friday, so I just can't go on live on Friday. And I just don't trade on Friday either. Like I used to trade on Fridays and I'll be in the mosque, like keep checking my phone, but the mosque service is so bad, bro. I just can't trade in the mosque. Like it's too painful. It's actually too painful. So I just told myself I'd rather just take a day off on Friday. So I lock in from Monday to Thursday, and then Friday to Sunday I'm just off in the markets. Like I don't trade. And to be honest though, every time I traded on a Friday, I always lose as well. I don't know what it is about Fridays. I think just mentally I'm just not really, because I'm so busy doing other things. I'm just not really in the mood to trade. We've got 30 seconds left on news. Let's see what happens. Let's see. We're gonna go on the 1 minute to see exactly what happens on news. Let's see. Betting it's gonna go down. I hope it does. I actually hope it goes down. Boom. Okay. News has just been is about to get released and the market's already pushing down like crazy. I hope it goes down. Let's see. Let's see what the results are. Whew. That is dropping like crazy. Yeah, lots of sell side liquidity. Yeah. Okay, that's crazy. Crazy. Nothing's even been released yet. Is my screen bugging or yeah, nothing's been released yet. It's pending right now. Well, there's our news. This is what I wanted though. This is low-key what I wanted. So if this 1 hour candlestick can close red or close bearish, that'd be so clean. Okay, so it was actually, it's below. So this is actually strong for USD right now. the actuals less than the forecast, meaning that is actually good for USD. So USD is just become a little bit stronger right now. So we might see price just continue to go down. But let's just hope this is not a liquidity sweep. Respected the 5-minute fair value gap. Yeah, literally, bro. It's respecting this 5-minute fair value gap to the T. Let's see though, because the candlestick has not closed yet. Damn, that's a crazy drop on gold though. I'm not gonna lie to you. That is a crazy drop on gold. Let me just get my fib level out. Let's see where did it respect the fib levels. Let's go on that 15 minutes. Yeah, didn't really respect any of the fib levels. Not really something that I like. Oh, okay, so if we put it to these highs, it respects the 78.6. Yeah, I think we're gonna be going down. I think we should be going down. The question is though, we didn't really get a liquidity sweep. Let me just see silver, because this could literally be an SMT. Let me just put my sessions up. So boom. 8 a.m. and then 12. Just bear with me, guys. I'm just trying to check something real quick. No, it wasn't an SMT. Yeah, it wasn't an SMT. So that is, yeah, I don't know. It's like gold's giving me mixed signals right now. Like we got a really good bearish reaction out of news, but then it's like it's giving me a bullish signal. I don't know if you guys can see it. Maybe I'm bugging, but like the way it's respected the FVG and then we create a lower high, a higher low. I don't know, just something about the markets right now is just screaming out buys to me. But I don't know. Did we get any higher time frame liquidity sweeps? No, we didn't, but we got a 1-hour liquidity sweep. Like these lows got swept. So if I just quickly check, the 7 a.m. lows got swept. So I'm a little bit confused with gold today. I'm not gonna lie to you, chat. I'm not gonna lie to you. I am a little bit confused. But again, we'll just let the market play out and see if we can broke structure on the 1 minute. Oh yeah, it did. It actually did. And it's respected this FEG right now. Yeah, let's just see. Let's see how this 1-hour candlestick closes. I haven't broken structure on the 5-minute just yet. Let's see. I want to see if there's any way that I could share my screen on TikTok as well. I'm going to figure out a way to do that. I'm going to figure out. I'm gonna check because it would be kind of cool to have my screen on TikTok as well. I think that would be really, really helpful for you guys. Let's see, we've got 22 seconds left. Not gonna lie, it's definitely gonna go down. Well, we'll see. We got like 18 seconds left. Let's see, bro. Let's see. Hopefully I don't eat my words. Well, no, don't worry, bro. Yeah, the way it's respecting the 50-minute fair value gap right now is looking good. Its only thing is it disrespected the 30-minute fair value gap, which I'm not really happy about. Which pair? We're looking at gold. We're looking at gold. Yeah, this rejection is looking pretty clean as well. This rejection is definitely looking really clean. $15 and 30 minutes look like a consolidation after an uptrend. That's what I'm saying, bro. That's literally what I'm saying. It's like, obviously, higher time frames mean more power, but it's not looking great for me. I'm not gonna lie to you. It's not looking like a good trading day. Like, even if legit just scraped my TP 4165, went down after. Yeah, that's so good, bro. So lucky. Man, I closed my sales and profit of 2K and the market closed it late. Damn. So risky trade I shouldn't have taken. Don't worry though. A W is a W, bro. Okay, we're actually tanking down now. Okay, cool. Okay, we're actually tanking down now. Okay, this is much better. It's giving me a clear, like, this is giving me a clear signal now. This is giving me a clear signal. Only thing is we don't have the higher time frame liquidity sweep. That's the only thing I'm kind of worried about. We just didn't get that liquidity sweep. So what will be your TP? Well, I'm not gonna lie to you. If I look for buys, it will just definitely be session highs and definitely like all the highs on the 1 hour, like 4187 and 4200 flat, if anything, 4211. NQ's pushing. Yeah, let's have a look at NQ's. Oh, NQ's definitely gonna push because it was actually positive news for US. Yeah. Yeah, that's that's a sweep. Boy, I would love to go for buys on NQ. I would love to go on buys on NQ. Yeah, the market's moving hella indecisive right now. Hella indecisive. Like we had a good push to the downside, but look at the way it's just rejecting. Like it's trying to push right back up again. It really all matters on that 1 hour. Literally, that's what. Once I get that 1 minute retracement into once I get that 1 minute retracement into the 1 minute fair value gap and 5 minute, I'm entering short and targeting 4148. Oh, so you're going for like a okay, so you're going for like a quick little short. I'm still gonna like be patient on the trade. I'm still gonna be a little bit patient just because we are in a range and this could just literally be like a little fake move. So I want to be a little bit patient. We'll see though. We'll see what the market gives. Started trading GU recently, more simple. Yeah, GU is definitely EU and GU are very simple. Only thing is I don't like the fact that is not as volatile as I like. But it's definitely a lot more simpler. Yeah, the 5 minutes got a good FVG. I just want the market to just go down a little. Like, come on. This fair value gap. Maybe we need to go right back into that fair value gap. This is a thing, chat, right? If you look at it in market structure, let me actually get the path tool. Look at this. We had a big push to the upside, tap into the fair value gap, then a push to the upside. So, like, realistically, and then we obviously have a little retracement and then push back up. Realistically, we should be looking for buys. Realistically, we should be looking for buys. I'm not gonna lie to you. But I just want a sweep of these lows, bro. So all I want is just a sweep of these lows. But then if it respects these lows and we start pushing up, then it is what it is. 100%? Yeah, 100%, bro. 100%. DXY going up? Yeah, most likely because it was good respect. Checked high time frame structure. Yeah. Like even on the 4 hours, it's literally screaming bullish. Only thing is like we have a 4 hour fair value gap that low key price should have tapped into. It's the only thing, and then obviously we swept these highs. But we don't want to go. I don't want to go too much on a high time frame because we don't really. We enter on the 5 minutes. No point looking at the 4 hour. For sure, going up after a mini retracement. Yeah, I'm just hoping that we can get some good market structure. Right now, all I'm hoping for is like a sweep of these lows and then a push up. So, Cooper, you might actually get a good move actually on a little quick retracement. You might actually get like a decent move. Yeah, that's the only thing I'm worried about. If it wants to tap that 4 hour fair value gap, then I could look for some shorts. But I'm really not trying to go against my bias. Really not trying to do that. In a long position for 4180. Where's your stop loss? It just depends on where your stop loss is. It literally just depends on where your stop loss is. Let's have a look. Yeah, it's looking like it's just tanking down now. Come on, gold. Give us something, man. Got 20 minutes left. Give us something. In the next 20 minutes, hopefully we can get something. Yeah, if it taps it today, then I'm not too sure what I could do because there's no signal for me to look for sales right now. There's literally zero signal. You must be getting impatient and rate your self-control. Bro, honestly, I've been dying to place a trade since the start of this week. Especially because I'm on live is like, it's kind of long being on live and not being able to just, because when I'm trading like solo, I could just chill. Like I could go out, grab food and stuff like that and just be on my phone. Because it's live, is like, it's so frustrating to not see a move. But then again, it's like, I'm trying to set you guys an example. I don't want to just force trades just for the sake of it. Not for Raya. Thank you for the follow, man. Thank you for the follow. I appreciate it. Road to 100 followers. Every single one of you that's following, I appreciate it a lot. But yeah, like it does get a bit like, okay, I'm itching for a trade, but at the end of the day, it's like I'm not here to just trade in front of you guys for the sake of, like, I genuinely trade for a living, so I'm not trying to just risk my capital just for a cheeky little trade. Do you get what I'm saying? So yeah, like it does, I do get a little impatient, but then I always remember my old self, like being impatient and just losing trades. I'd rather just have no trade than trying to force a trade and then just lose it. Or even if I force a trade and win, it's like, it's not really, it doesn't follow my rules. So technically it's not a win, you know? So that's just, yeah, even if I force a trade and I win, I still would count that as a loss. And that's just the way I am. Every trade is different though. Every trade is a little bit different. It just depends on how you are. For me personally, I try my best to be very disciplined. Just because like I've lost a lot of money just based on not being disciplined, which is kind of annoying as well. But let's see. But honestly, guys, like take what I do and actually utilize it. Like when you see me trade and you see that I'm staring at the markets and I'm not seeing trades and stuff like that, like look at it as motivation, guys. Like you don't actually have to trade, you know. You don't actually have to place a trade. Even I have the most pressure right now. You guys are probably itching to see me trade. But it's like I'm not gonna just trade for the sake of it. I'm gonna actually trade and try and make some money. And if the market doesn't want to give me the signal, I mean, we actually got a signal on Monday. The only problem was it was at 6:30. The vision on Monday was impeccable, but unfortunately, it was at 6:30 p.m. and I wasn't on live, and I don't trade that late either because that's London session over. I don't really like trading. What's your average RR and win rate? So my win rate's like 70. I think it's gone up now. It's like 72%. And my average RR is like 1.7. It's not my RR is not that high, but my win rate is quite high. Is 1 to 10 RR at 80% win rate possible? Yeah, if you trade like once a month. If you trade like once a month, because you bet, you know what it is, trading 1 to 10 RR it's a tough one because it's like if you get a 1 to 10 RR once, you're most likely not gonna get that again. You can't get a 1 to 10 RR every single day. Like the amount of precision you will get for that is crazy. But if you do, props to you. But I don't think that's good long term. But if you do, like, if you trade probably like once a month, I think you could get a really good win rate on a 1 to 10 R, or even a 90% trade frequency 2 to 3 a week. Yeah, I'm not gonna lie to you. That's if you get like above a 90% win rate on a 1 to 10 RR average, and you're trading 2 to 3 times, I'm gonna be real. Like, you probably have hedge funds crashing through your door, because that's crazy, bro. Yeah, you definitely will get like some sort of investigation going on because that's crazy. So it could happen. It could definitely happen today. Yeah, I definitely believe we could tap into the 4 hour fair value gap. But if that's the case, then it's a bit techie for me because we haven't really swept any liquidity, which is kind of annoying. And I can't really count this as SMT because there's no SMT. Breaker structure on the 5-minute too. Let's have a look. Yeah, the 5-minute. No, the 5-minute hasn't. I mean, the 5-minute has broke structure. I do agree with you, but we need to break. Yeah, we did break structure on the 5 minutes, but we haven't broken these lows yet. These lows just got swept because now we got these lows, and these lows need to get broken. So we need to see. We need to see because this. By the way, guys, do you understand why this low hasn't been broken? This low is a sweep. By the way, chat. What pairs are you trading? I'm trading gold. Let's see. Okay, now we're really tanking down on gold, so that's good. That's really, really good. Okay, you know what? This could actually be something decent. This could actually be something decent. Let's see. We're really struggling to break these lows right now. Really struggling to break those lows. The 1 minute still hasn't broken any significance. Okay, now, okay, yeah, we broke the 1 minute structure, which is great. Broke 1 minute structure. Waiting for that 5 minute. I mean, that 5 minute drop is looking pretty decent now. So we got like, how many more minutes? If we got around 11 minutes left for this hourly. This hourly candlestick's not the best. I'm not gonna lie to you. This hourly candlestick's not that great. Unfortunately, it just looks like I might not even trade. Because this hourly candlestick is confirming that we're just consolidating. Which is just not great for me. I don't like trading off consolidation. Let's see. If the next 10 minutes, if we can drop all the way down to here in the next 10 minutes, I'll be so thankful. Let's see. What's silver saying? Silver swept the highs, but wasn't a significant high. I've been seeing a lot of people trade silver recently as well, chat. I don't know if you guys, if you lot want to have a look at that, but silver's apparently been like a really good pair to trade. Like respects, like look at this fair value gap, tap in, boom, bullish order flow, buy, boom. Look at that. Like quite a lot of trades. Because on silver, we actually respected this fair value gap, and if this kind of stick closes bullish on silver, then we're most likely gonna go up on gold. That's the only thing I'm kind of stressing about. But hopefully we can get some sort of liquidity sweep. Can we keep tanking down, please? I like this. Cooper, did you oh, you entered the trade, right? Okay, good. You closed a bit early though. I feel like I feel like we could tap into these lows. I genuinely feel like we could. But I mean, if you close, that's so you entered 4 silver trades over the last 3 weeks and it just moves well. Yeah, I reckon 15-minute steep of lows and push back up. Yeah, I mean, we're really tapping into London lows right now. Hopefully, we can sweep London lows. Hopefully, let's do this. Let's see. GG's Cooper. Though I think you did you win the trade? That's GG's, man. That is GG's. Let's have a look. Let's see. So gold is really trying to tap London lows. I don't know. Hopefully we could get that. Got 8 minutes left. Hopefully we could get a tap. Hopefully. Come on. Just drop a little bit lower, man. Drop a little bit lower. Sweep lows, just about 5-minute fair value gap. That would be the best case scenario. Yeah, 100%. 100%. If we can sweep these lows and then push up, I would love to see buys right now. I would love to see buys. Because I feel like the next hour is going to drop down, but then go all the way back up again. That's what I feel like. I feel like the next hour is going to drop all the way down, tap into that 4-hour fair value gap, and then go all the way back up again to just sweep London lows. That's what I feel like. If we don't tap London lows right now, I think that would be like the scenario. But by then, I think it'll be a bit too late for me to enter. But let's see. Let's see. All depends on this close, this hourly close. Literally all depends on this hourly close. Yeah, I entered. My TP was 4139. Oh yeah, that's GG's. 4139. Oh, that's all the way down here. Oh yeah, that's really good. Okay, can we tap? Oh, we're so close to London lows, bro. We're so close. We're literally like five pips away from London lows. Please don't just edge us like that. If we tap 4 hours, we're cooking. Yeah, 100%. The only problem is if we tap into the 4 hours, it genuinely has to be a sweep. Because if it's not, it's a breaker structure, then we're really tanking down. Because then that will be a breaker structure. And structure doesn't lie. If there's a breaker structure, that means we started a new trend and we're most likely just going to keep dumping. That's the only thing I'm worried about, it touching the 4 hour. I'm flipping sending it to the highs. Yeah, hopefully. Bro, we're so close, bro. 1 minute left and we're so close to London lows. Rams, as soon as you said that, gold just flipped from a black candlestick to a blue candlestick, bro. Hefty buys incoming soon, bro. Literally, as soon as you guys said that, bro, the candlestick just flipped. As soon as chat just said that, the candlestick literally just flipped. That is crazy. Yeah, this is what I'm thinking. This is what I'm thinking. I'm thinking this is what the market's going to do. The next hour is going to go down. It's going to tap into this FEG. It'll probably tap in all the way down to... It depends which FEG it wants to respect. It's going to tap in wherever it wants to go. Let's just say down here. And then it's going to go up. And the hourly is just going to be a wick. That's what I'm expecting, chat. But by then, it'll be way too late. It'll be way too late for me to enter. Because we'll be looking at entries like around 3 to 4 p.m. Which is not ideal for me. Yeah, not A+. BlackRock watching the stream. What, you watching BlackRock stream? I didn't even know they were streaming. I appreciate the follows. Super Saiyan 1. I appreciate the follow. Let's keep going, chat. Let's keep going. Keep following. If you're new to Twitch, give me a follow, please. I appreciate the follow. Yo, what's good, bro? What's good? I like the energy, man. No, they're watching my stream. There's no way, bro. They probably are. They're probably just like... They probably got so many buy limits at where I want price to go to. That would be so funny. Isn't it, bro? I love the name, bro. Made it years back. No, no worries, bro. No worries. I didn't even know. I just saw the name, bro. I just saw the name. We didn't break 1 minute structure, which is good. Who the hell is BlackRock? BlackRock's that stock, isn't it? Is the stock company. That's motion. Imagine if like a stock company's watching your stream. That's motion, bro. How do you even know like who's watching your stream? I don't even know how you can tell. Can gold sweep lows, please? Nah, for real, for real, bro. Like we literally have 3 minutes left, and I want it to sweep London lows. Yeah, no, literally. BlackRock literally owns like they literally own everything, bro. We're so close, bro. We're so close to London lows. Can we just please sweep it? Do you know how close we are, bro? That's literally we're 4 points away. Less than 4 points. It's like 3 points away. 3 pips away from London lows. Can we just please tap it? And then you can do whatever you like. Because if it doesn't tap it, then we have to wait a whole nother hour, which is annoying. This is gonna be annoying. Chat, I'm not gonna lie to you. This is about to be an annoying day. Yo, Moby, is there a way to copy trades from one account to another? Yeah, there is. Just use a copy trader. Go on the internet and just search up copy traders. I think you have to pay for some of them, but they're really cheap. And you can copy to be honest, I don't really like copy trading because let's say I buy on on one of the accounts, because of spread and delays, it might put me in a really bad position on another account, which could mean that my stop loss is quite big. That's the only reason. Got two accounts, so I want to trade. I want to do the same trades on both. Yeah, so look for a trade copier. I'm not too sure which one. Chat, does anyone use a trade copier? TikTok, Twitch, does anyone use a trade copier? I've never used a trade copier. So I think the only time I used a trade copier was on when I was on C Trader, but the platform on C Trader. But C Trader, they're a bit weird with their copying, their trade copiers. I don't know, chat. If any of you use trade copiers or you know someone that use trade copiers, give them a little, give us a little tip on which one's good. Davel is Tanet. I don't know how to say your name. I appreciate the follow. I appreciate the follow. 85 followers, guys. Come on, we're so close to 100 followers. If you guys could just hop on Twitch and give me a follow TikTok, I would highly appreciate it. If you don't tap, let's all full port sells. Stop loss at the highs and no TP. Check out Dane Trade. He has a copier. I don't know who he is, bro. I don't know who he is. Does he own a copy, like a copier company? Bro, Mum's Gold is mocking it. Mum's Gold is mocking it. I don't know. Does he own like a trade copier company? But honestly, I'll just search up on Google like trade copiers or like just go on ChatGPT and just ask like trade copiers and see which one's like a good trade copier. Oh, and he has YouTube videos? Okay, so someone in TikTok, someone on TikTok literally said, check out Dane Trades, DANETRADES. But we have 30 seconds yet left. Might just allow it and complete one account, then the next if I can't find. Yeah. I'll be honest with you though, like it's good to have rotations on accounts. I know like some influencers they like to use trade copiers, which is cool, but like imagine losing like 5 accounts in one go because you copied each trade. Like I'd rather just take things nice and slow. But it just depends though. It depends on how confident you are in trading and stuff. And you can always pause a trade copy if you're going through like a crazy losing streak as well. Let's see. Okay, so the hourly closed and it wasn't the greatest. We're gonna stay on the 30 minutes. Hopefully we can sweep these lows. On the 5 minutes is definitely looking like, yeah, it definitely looks like we could try and sweep these lows. There's no way we got this close to London lows and not hit it. Yeah, nah, for real. I mean, we could wait 30 minutes. We could use a 30-minute time frame. It just won't be like really high confluence, but let's see. Let's see. Does anyone know what raid channel is on Twitch? I keep getting this pop-up come up on my screen saying raid channel. I don't know what it is, but I don't know what that is. Raid's channel, it keeps telling me to click on it. I'm not too sure what that is though. I'm such a rookie on Twitch. Or maybe like, yo, what's good? What's good, Sweat Trades? Or Sweet Trades? I don't even know how to say your name, bro. Sweet Trades? What's good, bro? Yo, can you send people oh, you can send people to another streamer, I think? Oh, swear. Oh, okay, I don't know why it keeps popping up on my screen. I mean, if someone wants to raid me, they can raid me. I don't think I'm gonna raid, so I only have like, I think the maximum views we had today was like 9 viewers. So it would be kind of dead to raid. They won't even, people won't even notice that I raided them. Shall I see? What does that say? Let's click on it. It just looks like crypto streams. Yeah, Carla, I'm not raiding. No, I'm not raiding no one. I just started streaming on another account. How do I gain followers? I'm Swedish, bro. Honestly, bro, I'm just like you, bro. I have 85 followers. I'm just starting up. So, do you trade crypto much? No, I just invest. So regarding like streaming, I don't really know. I can't really give advice because I'm also growing. I'll just say stay consistent, bro. Stay consistent and just keep going. Like, don't be disheartened when you only have like 1 or 2 viewers, or like for example with me, like 4 or 5 viewers. Because imagine if you were speaking to 4 or 5 people in a room, like you would literally be having countless conversations. So that's it's just like I've been consistent since this is my first week back. Last time I was streaming was like, I think it was at the start of this year, and we had almost like 60 viewers at one time, which was so cool. But I was consistently streaming. So yeah, I would just say keep going, bro. Just keep going. And W in Sweden, bro. W's in Sweden. Yeah, this another day where I don't trade. Another day where I'm not trading, guys. Or I haven't placed a trade yet. Let's see. We got 1 more hour of the stream. So let's see. I don't really like streaming for more than 2 hours. So let's see. I'll follow you, W, with my other account. Oh, I appreciate it, bro. I appreciate it. I appreciate that. Let's see. Let's see. TikTok. By the way, guys, I'm live on Twitch. Literally just click the link in the bio and join. Also, at what point did you say you can quit work to pursue trading full time? This is actually a funny one because I quit work, but I was nowhere near, like, I was profitable, but I wasn't like, I didn't have like crazy figures in my bank account. Um, I would say this is what I would say. If you have like more than 20 to 30K in cash in your trading account, and you know you're profitable, and you know that you're gonna be, appreciate the follow. Look as NQ Lucas NQ. Sorry, I don't know why I was reading that different. I appreciate the follow, bro. But yeah, like I would say, okay, this is what I would say. You have to have like at least 6 months of not profitability, of discipline, and at least more than 20 bands in your trading account, at least. And also, like, it depends on your circumstance. Like, if you have like rent to pay and bills, I would say try and like pay off at least 6 months of bills, and then quit your job for like 6 months and see what happens. You never know. Like that's what I did. Like I just paid like most of my bills up front, and then I just literally just focused on trading for like 6 months. But it does get a bit techie, bro. Because when I first left my job and I was trading, I was in the worst drawdown ever. Like, I lost a lot of money during that period. But that was because of that. My mindset was I was shook because now like trading is my full time income. I would always say like have some sort of bracket, 100%. But there, it doesn't. I don't. I think it's just as soon your mind, your body will tell you when you're ready to quit, bro. Your job, like your body will literally tell you. Because when I was working, every day I was going to work, I just hated my job. Like it got to a point where I was literally I literally used to switch off because I used to work from home, so I used to just switch off my Wi-Fi and just say my Wi-Fi is off, just to have a chill day, like and trade and relax and do nothing. Like it sounds so unserious, but honestly, 9 to 5 really gets you like that. Like especially the job I was doing, it wasn't like that great. It wasn't that interesting. So it was definitely something where I just needed to quit it ASAP. Okay, gold's going back down now. Hopefully we can sweep these London lows in the next 30 minutes. Let's see. Because you also have like these lows. Finally, like we're about to touch London lows, chat. Finally. We're about to tap into London lows. See what lower time frame's doing. We've got those lows. Do we have any other 30-minute lows? No, not really. Bro, does London lows not want to get hit? What the hell? Okay, finally we tapped into London lows. Let's see if there's any like buys pending on those lows. Let's see. If this candlestick just starts pushing right up, that'll be amazing. That would be amazing. Let's see. Bro, that drop on the 5 minutes, oof. Whoever was in those cells, like, at this break of structure, they probably were panicking, but boom, what a drop. If we can tap into these O's, amazing. Okay, clean. Okay, wow, gold is actually tanking now. Okay, that's actually crazy. Gold's actually tanking. Oh my days. Gold's actually tanking. Chat, gold is just dropping like crazy. Oh my days. Bro, it's only been 8 minutes. I low-key wanted this to happen though. Remember what I told you guys, chat? I said I want price to go down and then I want it to sweep. Let's hope that this is just trying to grab all the buyers so that we can enter. Hopefully we can enter some buys. TP1 hit, other TP at 4139. Bro, GG's, bro. GG's. I can't lie, this is you are profiting off my streams, bro. GG's. That's amazing. Yeah, there we go. Let me just see, where's that 4-hour FVG? Oh, we're actually in the 4-hour FVG. Amazing. We're actually in the 4-hour FVG. If we can now push up, oh, bro, that would be amazing. That would be amazing. Let's just hope now that we just sweep these lows. Yes, sir. I like this. I like this a lot. 20 seconds on that 5 minutes. Okay, we're still respecting this fair value gap, which is amazing. I know the chart's looking very messy right now. Yeah, we can get rid of that. Bro, whoever entered, actually, let me actually just keep that for a second. Whoever entered off this 5-minute fair value gap, or was it 50-minute fair value gap? Yeah, whoever entered off this 50-minute fair value gap, what a move, chat. Okay, so the 5-minute has swept these two lows, which is, oh, well, this low, not this low, but this low, which is good. I just need that 30 minutes to sweep. Can we get a 30-minute sweep? If we can get a 30-minute sweep, we could be in for a lovely buy. If we don't, then stream is over. So we literally have like 19 minutes left. Let's see. Bro, hopefully this is not another day of just staring at the markets. What's that 5 minutes saying? Oops, what's the 1 minute saying? Okay, the 1 minute I posted in Discord was right, but got stop loss. Oh, GG's, bro. No worries, bro. No worries. We'll get them next time. We'll get them next time. We got a lot of imbalances on the 1 minute as well. Let's just hope we don't go below these lows. Let's see. TikTok, if you're on my stream, hop on Twitch. I'm prioritizing the chat on Twitch. So hop on to Twitch, guys. Click the link in the bio or literally search up Moby Trades on Twitch. Bro, can we get something? See how this 15-minute closes. We've got 2 minutes. Let's see how this 15-minute closes. Bro, it really wants to go up as well. It really wants to go up. We need to lock in, chat. We need to lock in. We could... The 15 minutes. We've got like 1 minute left. Let's lock in. Hopefully we can get some buy orders come through. My 4170 TBA today, been waiting 2 days. Bro, I've been waiting as well, bro. I've been waiting as well. I'm literally... This is my 3rd day live streaming and I still haven't placed a trade. Oh, finally, some movements. Yeah, let's lock in. Let's lock in. Finally, some movements, chat. Let's actually lock in. If we can stay above these lows, I think I wouldn't mind that. If we can stay above these lows, I wouldn't mind that. Please stay above those lows. Come on, please stay above those lows. Please. Please, bro. Okay, clean. Okay, calm. Okay, we stayed above these lows. Okay, that's promising. Now all we need is that 30-minute candlestick to go above these lows. That's all we need. If the 30-minute candlestick can stay above these lows, oh my days, we could actually look for some buys. I have it going down still. Yeah, it could still go down. I mean, it literally just depends on the next like 15 minutes. It could still go down, but let's see. Let's just hope it doesn't. But let's see. 30-minute time frame is bearish. Well, it is not bearish yet, bro. It's not bearish yet. Right now, it's giving bullish because we actually haven't broken it. Like, if you think about it, we broke these candlestick highs, but we never broke any lows yet. So 30 minutes is still bullish. So if we can hold that bullish structure and just sweep, that would be amazing. Let's see what silver's saying. Yeah, silver swept the lows. I don't know, man. I don't know. Because silver's created a lower high. Whereas gold is creating... Oh, no, gold also created a lower high. Let's see. I know on the 5-minute we have this fair value gap, which is kind of annoying. But hopefully we can just disrespect that. 2-hour time frame also bearish. I don't really like to look at the 2 hours. I think that's like such an irrelevant time frame. I'm not gonna lie to you. I feel like the 1 hour is calm. The 2 hours like kind of irrelevant. You're looking at gold, right? Yeah, I'm looking at gold, bro. Looking at gold. If you hop on my Twitch stream, bro, you'll see I'm sharing my screen on Twitch. Oh yeah, that's what we like to see. This is what we like to see, chat. Yes, sir. This is what we like to see, chat. This is literally what we like to see. But hopefully this is not just a little fake to go into this fair value gap. If we can disrespect this fair value gap, oh, that would be so clean. I'm waiting for liquidity sweep. Same, bro. Need to download Twitch. Bro, you can just click the link in the bio and it should just direct you to like the web. But if anything, I can't lie, you should definitely download Twitch, bro. I'm live every single day, Monday to Thursday. Obviously, I'm not live tomorrow because it's bank holiday. Yeah, hopefully it doesn't suck me in. You waiting to tap the FEG and then sell? Or, well, I really don't want to sell, but if it gives me sell signals, it gives me sell signals. But I don't have a sell signal because there's no liquidity sweep. So it's only, I'm only look if it's buys only. It's literally buys only. If there's no buys, I can't trade. It's literally just buys only. 50-minute displayed the 4-hour fair value gap, but the 30-minute hasn't yet. Did it actually? Let's have a look. Is that the 4-hour fair value gap? No, this is the 4-hour fair value gap. Let's have a look. Let's see if it disrespected. No, it respected it, bro. The 15-minute respected the 4-hour fair value gap, bro. The only problem with the 50 minutes is it broke below these lows. That's the only thing I would say like is kind of worrying on the 15 minutes. It's the only thing I'm worried about. Okay, we're going down again. We're going down again, chat. We're going down again. Go about to sink. We're gonna push the Asian low. Yeah, let's see, bro. We got like 10 minutes, so let's see. Yeah, it's definitely respecting that 5-minute FEG, bro. Oh my days. I really wanted to respect that 5-minute FEG. Just KR33P. Thank you for the follow, bro. Thank you for the follow. I appreciate it. I appreciate every single one of you that's following me, man. I appreciate it. We're so close to 100 followers now. We're 87 followers, bro. You know we started on like 81 followers at the start of the stream, bro. GG's in the chat, man. We're so close to that 100 follower mark. I did say that I want to get 100 followers by the end of this week. I don't know if we can, but if we can, oh my days, that would be amazing. That would be amazing. But I mean, I appreciate every single followers. We'll probably get 100 followers by next week. I 100% believe we're going to get 100 followers by next week. We just got to keep streaming, keep going, being consistent, and keep making you guys some money, man. That's all we have to do. Okay, yeah, so there was no bearish order flow out of that fair value gap, which I kind of like. Oh, please, bro. Just 30-minute. We got 9 minutes left. If we can just sweep those lows, bro, it would actually make my day. It would actually make my day. I'm not gonna lie to you. I wanted to sweep those lows, and then we'll probably wait another half an hour for like a bullish candlestick, and then we're in. Please, gold. It all depends on this. It literally depends in the next 9 minutes what we're doing. Come on. Come on, bro. Why is gold like, come on, bro. You got this, gold. Just push up. Just one strong candlestick to the upside. Come on. Just one strong candlestick. That's all we need. Is that we're loading for a buy right now. We're loading for a bullish candlestick. It's literally loading. I can literally see it happening. Come on. Come on, just one strong bullish candlestick, please, gold. Oh yeah, right. I rejected it. It could be a nice buy if they minute space to fall off of a gap. No, 100%, bro. 100%, bro. I'm just, if we're gonna sweep London lows, oh my days, that would be so clean. That would literally be like the best thing. But bro, why is gold going down, bro? Why is gold going down? Well, I know why. It's this flipping fair value gap that's in the way. Bro, I wanted this the other way. Gold, come on, listen to me. I literally wanted this the other way. Okay, good, good, good. Let's end this candlestick bullish. Come on, let's end this candlestick bullish. Don't quit your day job. Good advice, bro. Good advice. Yeah, never quit your day job until you've got something that could help you live and survive. Do you know what's so funny, chat? It's like people will literally be hopping on streams and just say random things. Like it won't even be relevant to what we're doing. It'll literally be something like so random. Like it's just kind of funny. Like when I watch streams, like I'm not really the type that chats in streams, but like when I watch streams, like I wouldn't just randomly hop on a stream to say some like a random sentence. I think that's just I think it's just kind of funny. Gold, man. What are you doing? What are you doing, bro? Bro, what's happening on my Discord chat? Oh my, I don't know what is happening on my Discord chat, but it looks like I don't know if bro's gonna full port, but I hope everything's going well in there. I just saw something crazy. Okay, we're tanking now. Okay, GG's, man. GG's. Actually GG's, like, and we're respecting this 50-minute fair value gap as well. Oh my days. What is gold on, bro? What is gold on? Gold genuinely does not want me to trade this week. Gold genuinely doesn't want me to trade. I'm so tempted to look for sells though. I'm so tempted, but I just feel like it's just gonna be a horrible trade. You bullish? Yeah, I'm bullish, bro. I'm bullish. But I'm so tempted to change my bias, but I'd rather just miss the day than sells are short-lived. Nah, for real. The sellers must be happy right now. I know a couple men on my stream are selling right now, but you guys must be happy, but I'm rooting for buys. We've got 5 minutes left. I'm rooting for buys. Honestly, I am rooting for buys. It might sound so stupid. And when I look back on the stream, it might look so stupid, but I'm genuinely rooting for buys. And it all depends on the last 5 minutes. The last 5 minutes. It genuinely all depends on that last 5 minutes. New York Open gonna be wild. Bro, New York's already open, bro. No, that's stocks, bro. 230 is stocks, not forex, bro. Oh damn. Yeah, that tank is crazy. New York opens. New York literally's been open for like an hour and a half now. It's always volatile. Oh, so you're talking about the stock market. So you think the stock, as soon as the stock market opens, it becomes hella volatile? Probably, yeah. But I mean, New York's been open for like 2 hours now. Oh, almost 2 hours now. No, sorry, an hour and a half. Sorry. You're probably talking about NQ. NQ is a little bit different. It's got 2 minutes. If it does that and respects the 4 hour fair value, then buys might be nice. I know, but I really want it to sweep London lows, bro. Because if we don't sweep London lows, we're definitely tapping in Asian lows. We're definitely tapping in Asian lows. There's literally no doubt about that. And I could wait for the hour close, which probably most likely are, but just a patient game. Bro, literally 2 minutes left. I really want this 30 minutes to shoot up. Yeah, I don't think it's gonna shoot up. I'm not gonna lie to you. I don't think it's gonna shoot up. I'll be so raw with you. Yeah. GG's, man. This is gonna be techie. This is a techie play, I can't lie. Is this gonna be another stream with no trades, bro? That's gonna be so annoying. Sells would have been so nice though. That 5 minute sell tapped into fair value gap, crazy down play, like that's crazy. Maybe my bias is wrong today, chat. I don't know. I would love to see how the end of the day plays out. Literally 1 minute left, and I don't have hopes for market. I literally need the market to move like at least 50 pips, at least 50 pips, and I don't think it's going to do that. I genuinely do not believe we're going to go up 50 pips in the next 1 minute. Yeah, I'm not going to lie to you, chat. 50 minutes is bearish. 30 minutes is about to be bearish. Yeah, I think we're going to be tapping into like maybe Asian lows. Especially if it disrespects this hourly fair value gap. Yeah, it looks like we're going to be tapping into this fair value gap. This is going to be a rough day, man. So the 30-minute just closed, and it's closed like this, chat. Yeah, GG's, man. GG's, chat. I'm not gonna lie to you. We'll wait another half an hour to see what happens. If the half an hour candlestick pushes up, that'd be nice. But if it doesn't, then a bit techie. But we're literally just rooting for that 1 hour candlestick now. We're literally just rooting for this 1 hour candlestick, which I don't have hopes for. I'm not gonna lie to you. Let's see. We're literally asking the market to do 50 pips in the next half an hour. Let's see, man. Let's see. This is looking very, very dry today though. Okay, we're pushing up. Okay. Okay, we're pushing up. Nice. There we go. There we go. That's nice. Is there any reason for price to just randomly starting to push up? Whew. Price is just going up now. That's nice to see. That is nice to see. Is there any reason for price to be going up though? New York Open, like I said. Yeah, I can't lie, bro. You might be onto something there. It's time, finally. Finally, about time though. I was being very I was trying to be optimistic with this, but okay, finally, gold. Pushing up. Can we hold this structure though? Can we hold this structure, please? If we can hold this structure, that would be so clean. Ooh, wow. Look at that push to the upside, chat. Look at that push to the upside. Oh my days. Oh my days. If we can hold this, oh my days, bro. Please disrespect this 5-minute fair value gap. Please, chat. Please. Oh my days. This is clean. Bro, you know when you have to sit closer to your desk because it's like a crazy move is about to occur? Come on, please disrespect this 5-minute fair value gap. Come on, chat. Come on. Come on, don't do this. Don't do this to me. Don't do this to me, man. Don't do this to me. Bro, don't do this. Come on, gold. Don't do this. Don't just reverse on us now. Don't reverse on us now. Come on, you have so much potential to go up, bro. There we go. There we go. Keep going. You got 30 seconds, bro. Come on. Come on, gold. Please, just disrespect that fair value gap for me. Oof, come on. Disrespect that fair value gap. Come on. 12 seconds. Bro, you know when you have to just have an eye on this. 1 minute. Oof. Yeah, we're defo flying high now. Come on. 4 seconds. Come on. Come on, chat. There we go. There we go. That's what I like to see. Okay, cool. Okay, cool. That's promising now. Now can we start getting some bullish structure? That's what I like to see. Can we start getting some bullish structure now? If this candlestick closes bullish, I will be so happy. I would actually be so happy because then we can actually play some trades. Now all we're looking for is some bullish structure now. That's all we're looking for. Bullish structure and we're good. Who would have thought that literally just waiting would help, man? That is so clean. I'm loving the 5 minutes. All we need now is just bullet structure. Boom, 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 boom. And then we'll just hop on once we get some sort of bullet structure. I can get rid of that. Wait. Can I get rid of that? Yeah, I can get rid of that. I can get rid of this. Let's go, let's go, let's go. 24 minutes left. Come on, bro. Just hold this structure for 24 minutes. Come on, hold this structure, bro. You know when you're waiting for a position for so long, bro, it's like finally some sort of motion. Finally. Come on, keep pushing up. All we now need to do is just disrespect this 1 minute FUG. That's all we have to do. Just disrespect this 1 minute FUG. What are people saying? The market just opened. I'm trading gold, chat. I'm trading gold. I'm not trading NASDAQ. For NASDAQ, cool. Fair enough. But bro, gold's been open for like an hour and a half. Almost 2 hours now. Come on. Don't do that. Don't do that. Oh, I love this structure, bro. If we could stay like this, oh my days. TP place 4140. Yes, we're still looking for sells. After that big push, we're still looking for sells, chat. I mean, may the best trader win then, isn't it? Let's see. If you're new to my live stream, guys, are you in a trade? No, I'm not in a trade. Not yet. Not yet. Just waiting for this candlestick to be blue and close. If you're new to this stream, guys, give me a follow. We're currently on like 87 followers. Road to 100 followers, chat. So please do give me a follow if you're new to this live stream. We'll see. Just helping each other out. Yeah, no, don't worry, bro. Don't worry. Amingo67. I appreciate the follow, bro. I appreciate it. I appreciate it a lot. Bobby S, I appreciate the follow on TikTok. I appreciate the follow on TikTok. I set a buy limit at the FUG at the breaker structure. Oh, okay, cool. I'm guessing you're talking about the 5 minute. I would have entered, but no FUGs on the 5 minute are available for NQ. Yeah, NQ's looking a bit weird, I'm not gonna lie. No thanks between us, bro. What do you mean, bro? What do you mean? It's normal to follow you? No, I know, bro, but you know what it is? I still appreciate every single person that follows. You don't actually have to follow, you know? So I appreciate every single person that follows. At the end of the day, like, you guys are helping me out and I'm trying to help you guys out. So I have to say thank you. I respect everyone that gives me a follow. Like I said, you don't actually have to follow me, but the fact that you followed me, I appreciate it a lot. I actually do appreciate it. I'm literally a small influencer. Like I'm not even big on social media. So the fact that you followed me, it means that you respect what I do and I appreciate it. I appreciate it a lot. Marcus after going up from 2000 is crazy. No, literally. Literally. Okay. Okay. Okay, gold. Come on, give us something. Bro, I'm just hoping this candlestick goes blue. If this candlestick goes blue, oh my days. Just need to make millionaire while billionaires go down. Not for real. Not for real, bro. I hear it. I actually hear it. Chat, we're so close to 100 followers, bro. Literally, if we can get 90 followers by the end of today, I'll be so happy, chat. Literally just need 2 more followers um for 90 followers. If we can get 90 followers, anyone on TikTok, if you don't mind, please go on Twitch. Just give me a follow. You can come back on TikTok if you want to, but just give me a follow, chat. We're so close to 90 followers. I am road to 100, but we're so close to 90. It's only right that we end this stream on 90 followers. It's only right. If any of you guys, just literally click the link in the bio or literally search out Moby Trades and just give me a follow, man. I appreciate it. Come on, gold. 15 minutes left and we can't be tanking down now. I mean, I expect gold. What I want it to do, this is what I want gold to do. Let's just get rid of this for a second. This is what I want gold to do. I want it to like respect this FEG and then go up. So if it can respect this 5-minute FEG and then go up, then we're good. Then we are good. Do you know what I might do? What I might start doing, chat? I might start streaming at like 1:30 UK time rather than 1. Because at the first half an hour is I know I don't trade anyways. So I might just start trading. I might just start live streaming at 1:30. So from next week we'll start at 1:30. So don't be worried when I'm not on live. I just feel like it makes the stream a little bit more shorter, but also like more engaging because we could actually place a trade rather than just staring at the markets. So we'll see. You in on gold? Not yet, bro. Not yet. I'm not in gold just yet. Just literally waiting for that 1 hour close. If that 1 hour close can close above London, like sweep London lows. If it can close bullish, I'll be even more happy. I'll be even more happy. But it literally just depends on the close right now. And right now it's looking a bit techie. I'm just going to have an eye on the 5 minutes. Because that 5 minutes, if we can just respect this FEG, we should be good. Just need the TP to hit so you can get ready for the push up. Oof, I'm tapped in. Let's see. What are you tapped into? Are you in for buys or go sells? You in for buys or sells? Let's see. Come on, respect this FEG, man. Gold buys. I mean, it hasn't respected the FEG yet. Let's just see. As long if it can respect the 5-minute FEG, I think we should be good. But I would have been a little bit more patient. Layered good, locked some profit in. Case other hit break even. Oh, okay, another case. Okay, cool. So, oh yeah, you're calm, bro. You're calm. Break even trade. That would be so setty. Okay. If we can just get one strong bullish candlestick coming out, then you guys should be calm for buys. Obviously, I like to be a little bit extra and just wait for the 1 hour, but that's just my system, chat. $15-minute is bullish. Nah, not yet, you know. It's not bullish just yet because we never actually broke previous candlestick highs. It is 100% like we are 100% bullish based on just candlesticks. Wicks wise, we're still a bit techie, but we should. By the way, you think I should get a funded account? I mean, if you're good at trading, I 100% agree. Like, you should definitely get a funded account. By the way, chat, like, if you want to buy a funded account, use my code MOBYTRADES, MOBYTRADES. And on Alpha Capital, you get 30% off on any challenge, chat. Any challenge, you get 30% off. Yesterday, we did a giveaway for free 25K accounts, completely for free in my community. So they're happy. But if you guys want 30 Alpha Capital, yeah, Alpha Capital, bro. Just DM me. I can send you the link, or just use my code Moby Trades, capital M, capital T. Let me actually check. It might actually be a little bit different. It might just be all caps. I need to check, but drop me a DM if it doesn't work, if the code doesn't work. But you should get 30% off. Even if you get like a 10K 10K account is dirt cheap. Like I'm gonna be real, like 10K account's like $30 or like $20 or something. I would buy like 20. No, I'm joking. I'll buy like 3, 4 10K accounts. Please do another giveaway. Bro, I try to do a giveaway like once or twice a month. I do it in my community. This month we've given away like almost actually no, we've given away 150K in total so far in account sizes. So we probably won't do I mean, it's near the end of the month now, so probably do another giveaway next month. It's December as well, so we'll probably give some good giveaways out just before Christmas. You guys can rack up, make some nice money, and give you guys a good Christmas gift. But yeah, like I said though, even if you don't win in my giveaway, you can always just 30% off. It literally ends on Friday. So I recommend you guys to literally go on Alpha Capital Group right now and use my code Moby Trades, and you get 30% off. Capital M, capital T. If it doesn't work, try it all caps. But Moby Trades. Okay, good. Now we're getting good bullish moves out of gold. Yeah, now we're getting good bullish moves out of gold now. That's good. That's good. Respecting the FUG. If we can hold this kind of structure with candlesticks, I think we should be good. Think we should be good. How much would 25K account be after the code? I don't know. It'll probably be like $60, $70. I'm not too sure, bro. You might have to check it out. But honestly, like if you're from the UK, like $70 is like £50. That is so cheap. Imagine £50 and you get a payout of like $1,000. Bro, that's basically like almost 10x your money. Like it's like 5x your money. That's such a good return. But only if you're good at only if you feel confident. I mean, it's 30% off, so I mean, even if you do lose, you can just try again. But if you feel confident and you feel like you can win, definitely recommend it. Come on, gold. Come on. Give us a bullish order flow out of this fair value gap, man. Yeah, crazy profits, bro. That's what I'm saying. Like, use my code, guys. Like, use the the discount code that I have, because you get a really good return out of it if you can get a payout. And even if you don't, you didn't really waste that much money either. So okay, good. Okay. I like this order flow coming out. If we could just hold this kind of strong bullish kind of stick out of here, it should be good. We should be good for a nice little bull run. M3 competition and M4 twinning soon. Yes, sir. Bro, I used to have an M3, bro. But very, very expensive to handle. But man, I think the next car I get is definitely an Audi. I low-key want an Audi. Yo, you know those stats I was telling you 1 to 10, 2 to 3 days? That's my boy's stats. That's 30, bro. That's 30. That's 30. How long has he been doing that for? He's been profitable a year now. So he's been doing that for a whole year. That's so clean. Okay, yeah, this 5-minute fair value gap, respected. I like that. We've got like 9 minutes left. If we can close bullish, that'd be so good. But learning for 3 years, that's so 30, bro. I mean, if he's getting 1 to 10 Rs on average, that is so clean. That is so clean. But I don't know about like 90% win rate. That is kind of a bit skeptical for me. But I mean, if he can prove it and he's doing it, I mean, if he's doing it, I mean, that's GG's. He's 16 as well. Oh, that's so clean. The 5-minute, 50-minute is bullish. Yeah, 5-minute. Yeah, 5 minutes bullish. 15 minutes is not yet bullish. We just need to literally break these highs right here on the 15 minutes. Bro, 9 minutes left, chat. 9 minutes left. Let's see if we can get... He has a group of 800 people but doesn't sell anything. That's cool, bro. That's cool. I mean, I don't know why he's not selling anything. If I had a 1 to 10 R average and I had a 90% win rate, bro, I would be printing on giving people my system. I'm done with the break even, just waiting for a clean setup if there will be. Yeah, right now it's just I don't know, gold's moving a little bit slow right now. I just want this candlestick to close bullish. I've been telling him just put 10K in a live account. So he hasn't been trading live account. Oh wait, he can't even trade live account. He's 16 years old. I actually forgot. He's 16 years old, man. I mean, that's still 30 though. He doesn't want to sell anything because he doesn't want any fame or followers. I mean, yeah, fair enough. Fair enough. But one thing that I learned about trading is that trading is such a volatile business. Like if you look at trading as a business, it's really, really volatile. So I always recommend, like, if you're part of my community, you always know that I always recommend like different kind of, like, if you do social media or if you want to get into a different business venture, or if you want to do something else, because trading is not something that you want to do by itself. You always want to do something else. And the best route for traders is always setting up some sort of like social media platform or literally building a personal brand where you can venture off to different businesses. He doesn't want to sell anything because he doesn't want any fame. Fellas, I don't want to start making I want to start making that at least over 20K month. True training, you could become homeless one day. Yeah, no, literally. Bro, honestly, you don't even have to make 20K a month to start social media. Do you really think these influencers make 20K a month of trading when they first started off? Like, honestly, bro, don't get fooled by the facade. Like, I've been seeing a lot of like influencers getting exposed recently, but don't fall for the facade. Live accounts in his dad's name? Okay, cool. This might be a sign to start. Bro, honestly, start posting. I literally told every trader, post on social media. Like, if you want help, DM me and I can help you, but post on social media. I recommend everyone in my Discord community, I always recommend every trader just post. Because you're documenting your journey. You don't have to sell anything. You can just show your journey. And I'm not gonna lie, it's a life hack. When you share your journey on social media, it automatically makes you disciplined because you have to turn up the next day. Like you actually have people watching you. What phone should I get for content? Like good quality? Bro, what phone do you have right now? Bro, if someone's making 10K a month on average in the past 6 months, I recommend them to get into business, bro. I would literally just trade. Bro, you got iPhone 14, bro. You got the same phone as me, bro. I think I got iPhone 14 Plus or something, or Pro, whatever it is. Bro, use the bro. iPhone 14 is say. If you said Samsung, I would have said yeah, a bit techie, but iPhone's clean. iPhone's clean. What do you think about TJR? Bro, I mean, he's such a good marketer. Like he's just like Iman Ghazi, like such a good marketer. So is everyone else in the industry when they're like you got to think about it. TJR literally scammed all his fans on or all his community on prop firms. I think he did like one of one funded or whatever. Um he's scammed so many people in like his mentoring and stuff like that. He does a mentoring and then after like 3 months he does a whole new one and he expects everyone to pay again. And he scammed people on his masterclass. I've been getting I think someone in my community he joined his masterclass just for bands, just to see what it's like. And he was literally like for 2 hours he was just talking about his coaching. He wasn't even dropping game in his in his like webinar or something. My code's not working. Try all capitals, bro. Try all capitals. Moby trades all capitals. It should work like that. If not, try capital M and then capital T. I need to get that code changed to all capital. I'll stay away. So I'm gonna be raw, bro. Like, think of it like this, right? Imagine someone like me getting on TGR's nerves. Like, imagine someone like if I was a genuine trader and someone like who just started up was talking about how I full ported on FOMC and it wasn't good for the community. I wouldn't have reacted the way he reacted. The way he reacted literally just proved my point. And what he says on YouTube is like the bare minimum of trading. He can never talk about psychology of trading because he hasn't mastered his own psychology. He could talk about strategy, which he doesn't even follow himself anyways. But when it comes to psychology, which bearing in mind, 90% of trading is psychology. Yeah, all caps works. Yeah, bro. Clean up on Alpha Capital, bro. Yeah, use all capitals. Moby trades all caps. Thank you for testing it out, bro. So how much is it? What size account did you get? But that's it. Yeah, no, literally, bro. To be honest, I've only watched like TGR's like vlogs. I think his vlogs are kind of cool, but I just don't get his social media, man. I would love to have a conversation with him to how to grow a social media account because that's the one thing he's mastered. He knows how to grow a social media account. I would never take trading advice from him though. I would never take trading advice. But I'll definitely ask him about social media because this guy, I remember when I think it was like a year and a half ago when I did a boot camp and I did the boot camp because he did a boot camp and he wasn't even on. He just hit 100K followers. He's freaked out so many times on his losses. That's not someone with bank to losses. Yeah, you gotta remember though, like his trades ain't real. Like for someone who's unless he can actually like if he can withdraw all the money out of his or if he can show me a withdrawal from the account and it's landing in his bank, I'll believe that his trades are real. But I don't believe his trades real, man. I would never put like 3 mil in it in an unregulated broker. I would never do that. Like that, I don't know. There's something about that that just seems a bit dodgy. He might be trading live though. I don't know, but it just doesn't seem like if you had 3 mil, would you put it in something that's not legit? That's not it's not reliable. That if your money disappears tomorrow, you won't be able to get it back because it's not regulated. I wouldn't. That's 3 mil we're talking about. You know Alex G? I don't know him personally, but I know he trades as well with a pink Bugatti. I'm sure his money comes from courses and brokerage. Yeah, 100%, bro. 100%. I agree, but I don't like not rate it. I don't not rate the fact that he does that. I just don't understand why he just doesn't be open about it. Like, fair enough. Like, if you're like, bro, you know how much it is a flex to say that your money's come from courses and you've changed multiple people's lives? Bro, imagine like you've made 1 mil on courses and the ROI on your students in total is probably like 10 mil. Imagine that. Like, imagine everyone. Let's say everyone paid. Let's say someone paid me $1,000 for for coaching, and they made like 10 bands of me like helping them out. Bro, imagine that. Like, I think that's a flex. I don't think I wouldn't be shy away from telling that, and I'm not scared to say that I coach traders. Like, bro, every single trader I've coached has made a return of investment. That's why that's why I'm not shy to say that I coach students. He's good at what he does, though, 100%. Yeah, 100%, bro. That's a flex, bro. He crashed his purple one and bought back for 1 point. He kept keep in mind it's damage, but that's a G move, and I can't lie. No, for real. I can't lie. I would love to like go Miami one time and just see all these traders. What do you think about trades by Ski? Bro, you know what it is? You're like the third person to tell me about this person. I don't know who he is. I don't know who trades by Ski is. Or Sky. I don't know. I don't know how you say his name, but I genuinely don't know. I can't lie to you, chat though. It looks like we're not trading today. We didn't get the sweep that we wanted. Looks like we're not trading today. GG's, man. GG's. Your code's only 15% off. You should be getting 30% off, bro. You should be getting 30% off. Maybe refresh the page. You should be getting 30% off. A couple people used it yesterday and they got 30% off. I'll ask them though if there is on why it's just 15%. I'm gonna sell terrible market shit monkey, yeah, at 4152. Yeah. Yeah, I'm not gonna lie to you. Like I'm not trading today. I'm not trading today, bro. Like there's no protocol for me to enter in the markets. There's literally no reason for me to enter. GG's though. GG's. GG's. Yeah, I can't lie. I'll give it like another 5 minutes just to get the stream on 2 hours, but GG's though. I like what's with USA and all these successful traders. Bro, honestly, like I would love to go to Miami and see what the hell is going on. Like, it's not even you know what it is? There's this one car showroom that I want to go to. And I want to ask them, like, how are you giving away all these cars? And they're all breaking down. Bro, like, think about their track record. Every time an influencer has bought a car from these guys, it's broken down. That's not good. I don't know about the US, but in the UK, like that is not good. Like I would not want to buy a supercar and then after a week it's broken down. You end up taking gold longs. Had to drive my little brother to school, so I haven't been watching. Nah, bro, I haven't. The market hasn't given me a move, man. So I'm guessing Asian lows is gonna get tapped. So unfortunately, no trades for me today, man. No trades for me today. I can't lie, gold has definitely tested my patience. Next week we should be good though. Next week we should be good. We should be good for some trades. I genuinely believe it's because tomorrow's bank holiday and um Friday I don't trade anyways. But I feel like we should get a good move next week. So literally done for the week though. $0 made this week. Oh, that's painful, man. $0 made this week, man. That's painful. I mean, next week we're gonna just have to hustle harder and just get at least one good trade next week. Yeah, that 4 hour close is like is death or bearish. Patience and keys. I'll keep updating the TikTok DMs. Yeah, bro. I'll send you my Discord as well. I'll give you access to my Discord, bro. I made 251 USD today. GG's, bro. I'm so happy that even if I don't make money, you guys are making money. Nice chatting with you, bro. TP done for the day. GG's, man. Well done. Well done, everyone, for making money, man. Even though I didn't make money, I love the fact that you guys are making money. That is such a flex. I'm so happy that my streams are giving you guys like a positive outcome. That's all I want from these streams, just to give you guys a positive outcome. I'm so happy that it is. So GG's, man. That's so clean. But yeah, man, I'm gonna step in a sec. Probably gonna grab some food. Bro, this week's been cash loss. I've been spending and I haven't made no money yet. So let's see what next week holds for us. See that daily? That daily looks, yeah, it's looking bearish now. Yeah, man. GG's. GG's, bro. It did just sweep these lows as well. I'm gonna go through a mad losing. I'm going through a mad losing streak, but every L is a lesson. Learn to lesson today. Yes, sir, bro. You know what? We all go through losses. Just learn from those losses and let go of those losses, man. We all go through losses. Just let go of it. Learn from it. Let go of it and move on. It's all you gotta do to keep going. In my like 5 years of trading, I've lost more than like almost 400 setups now. I'm not talking about trades, I'm talking about 400 setups. Imagine setups, yeah? I've lost a lot and I'm still in the game. I'm still trading. So just keep going. Just keep going. But yeah, chat, I'm gonna step. GG's, everyone. Well done for winning. No streams for the rest of this week. I'll see you guys next week. See you guys on Monday. But I appreciate every single one of you that tuned in. Let's try and make some money next week. Well done for everyone that made money this week in the markets. I know we've got people that made 6R from my live streams. I know people that's made more than $1,000, $2,000. We've got people that made $250. We've got people hitting TPs. GG's, guys. But yeah, I'll see you all next week. Appreciate it, guys. In a bit.